2024 8 Series 840 Grand Coupe. This thing is a sweet ride. Got the flat gray paint job on it, straight from the factory. Or actually, it looks like it's wrapped. Never mind. Scratch that. Wrapped. Anyways, catback system for this car usually ranges around $4,000 or $5,000. Way too damn expensive, in my opinion, for a 840, which is a 6-cylinder turbo. Not worth it. If you got an M8 or a M or 8550 or whatever the case is, Beamers and their weird ass names, then it's worth doing a full catback, especially one of those high-end catbacks. We cut the cost in half. We do custom catbacks for these cars, basically 2 rear performance mufflers in the back. We got rid of the stock garbage. We ran an X-pipe in the midsection for equalization because the stock muffler on the rear was the equalization. We removed that and then popped this X-pipe in there to equalize the flow, make more performance. And like I said, 2 performance mufflers out the back with the perfect fitment in the tunnel, just to show you guys what the stock system looked like. It was complete garbage. It was nonsense. I don't know what is all this shit on there, but dual in, dual out resonator, big ass muffler, super quiet, not built for performance, and customer wasn't liking it, bro. So you wanted to make it sound more aggressive. We did his G-Wagon a few years ago, and he brought us his 8 Series to do some dope stuff to it. So we did a custom catback, showed you guys what it looks like. We're in a full 3-inch exhaust, X-pipe, like I said, for equalization, some vibrant performance mufflers in the back. We're gonna drop it, get rid of his stock system, complete garbage, and we're gonna crank it. Let us know what you guys think. Should sound like a beast. So bad. Got the 840i all done. This is the Grand Coupe model, so it does have the 4 doors. Usually they come in 2 doors. And if you want a little bit bigger, you go with the 7 Series. This is the 8 Series Grand Coupe 40i. X-Drive. M. So BMW, shout out to all the names. Got the flat gray wrap on there. Got the red interior, looks pretty sweet. Black, gray, red. I mean, it's a sweet spec on this car. The all red guts with the black trim on there, looks pretty fire. So we just took it out for a test drive, made sure everything sounded great. Came out awesome, guys. Sounds great. Got those nice little burbles, pops, and bangs. Nothing super crazy. Customer wanted to keep it classy, so that's what we did. The custom catback, full 3-inch X-pipe vibrant mufflers in the back. Kept it looking completely factory out the back. So it looks like we never did anything. So that's what you want out of a high-end 4-door sedan. You want to make it look like we were never there, but maintain the elegant and the classiness of the car. So we're maximizing performance with the exhaust, and also, like I said, pretty sleeper setup on this one. So sounds great. Customer should be ecstatic. And yeah, 840i's. We're doing custom catbacks on it. They're not available on our website because they're all custom made to order, but just hit us up at Davey, Gexhaust Oakland Park, Gexhaust Davey, Gexhaust.com if you want a catback for, you know, your 3 Series or your 4 Series. You got a bunch of AWE, Borla available, and you know, Gexhaust out, guys.